In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing up in 2025. If your Facebook Marketplace icon has disappeared or Marketplace is no longer accessible from your account, don't worry. In many cases, this can be caused by a simple app issue, a temporary glitch, or an account-related restriction. We'll go through the best ways to check what's happening and how to troubleshoot it clearly and efficiently. First, open Facebook and sign into your main account. Once you're inside the app, take a quick look at your shortcuts or menu area and see whether the Marketplace icon is missing. This gives you a clear starting point before trying any fixes. Next, tap the menu icon and use the search function to look for Marketplace directly. If it appears in the search results, try opening it from there. Sometimes the feature is still available, but the shortcut itself has been removed or hidden. After that, open Facebook in a web browser and try accessing Marketplace from the website. This is a useful test because it helps you figure out whether the problem is with the mobile app specifically or with your Facebook account overall. Now check whether your Facebook app is fully updated. Go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, search for Facebook, and install any available update. An outdated version of the app can sometimes cause Marketplace to disappear or stop working properly. If you're on Android, go into your phone settings, open apps, select Facebook, then storage, and clear the app cache. After that, reopen Facebook and check again. If you're using an iPhone and the problem continues, reinstalling the app can help refresh app data. You should also try logging out of Facebook, closing the app completely, and then logging back in. This can refresh your session and sometimes restore missing features. If Marketplace still isn't showing, check whether your account is actually eligible. Facebook Marketplace access can depend on your region, account standing, and whether your account meets Facebook's requirements. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and look for Account Status if that option is available. See whether there are any restrictions affecting your ability to buy or sell. Also, open the Support inbox from the Help and Support section. If Facebook removed your Marketplace access, you may find a message explaining why. If you see an option like Request Review or Appeal, follow the instructions and explain that you believe the restriction was made in error. If you use a VPN, turn it off temporarily since location inconsistencies can sometimes interfere with Marketplace access. It's also a good idea to secure your account by checking recent login activity, removing unfamiliar devices, changing your password if needed, and enabling two-factor authentication. Finally, if your account is under review, keep in mind that technical fixes may not restore Marketplace right away. Wait for Facebook's decision, then restart the app, open the menu, and search for Marketplace again.